Hello and welcome to another insightful episode in our video series. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we'll be taking a journey into the realm of asset performance management, or as we'll refer to it, APM. We'll be explaining what an APM system is, how it works, and how it differs from a CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management System. We'll also be sharing some valuable tips on implementing an APM system in your organization. So, if you're looking to enhance your equipment's availability and reliability, stay tuned. So, what exactly is an APM system? It's a collection of tools designed to enhance equipment availability and reliability while minimizing risk and cost. This is what every APM solution promises to industries like industrial organizations and maintenance companies. But the actual performance depends on the system you choose and your specific needs. APM systems work by analyzing data through a complex set of filters. The results guide the user on where improvements should be made and what's available at any given point in time. However, the specifics can vary across different APM systems. For instance, an APM designed for the industrial maintenance industry will have different data filters than a preventive maintenance APM system. Now, you might be wondering, what's the difference between an APM and a CMMS? Well, while a CMMS focuses on extending the lifespan of physical assets, an APM increases availability and reduces risks by tracking the performance of operational assets. So they're similar but serve different purposes. Now let's talk about the benefits of APM systems. In today's data-driven world, these systems rise to the challenge by using the data companies generated each day to improve processes and identify areas for future improvements. They can increase asset availability, reduce operations and maintenance costs, and more. Essentially, they can take a good company and make it a great company. With an APM system, you can target preventive maintenance tasks at key areas in your processes. This means less time wasted on tasks that accomplish nothing, and equipment is neither over-maintained nor neglected. As you target tasks based on data, equipment efficiency improves. You'll use less energy, waste less material on production rejects, and spend more time producing quality results. An APM system also helps create a safer work environment. By monitoring equipment performance, you can detect machines and other assets that are operating outside of safe parameters. This allows you to resolve potential problems before an accident happens. So, what makes a successful APM system? Modern APM systems incorporate advanced technologies and intelligent design. They have advanced predictive capabilities, complete system-level analysis, safety and compliance features, prioritization functions, and real-time alerts. Now let's move on to some tips for implementing an APM system. First, create a data-driven maintenance culture. Your APM practices should extend beyond the software itself. It's a strategy that should permeate your maintenance team's entire culture. Second, align your APM strategies with business goals. The effectiveness of your APM will depend a great deal on how much support you can get for it from the upper leadership in your company. Third, get familiar with the technology. An APM system is centered in advanced technology, so you'll want to get as familiar with that technology as you possibly can. Fourth, get the needed skills on board. Your technicians will need strong technology and diagnostic skills rather than manual labor capabilities. Fifth, connect your APM with other business systems. Asset performance management shouldn't operate in isolation. It should be used in connection with other systems, such as enterprise resource management, your CMMS, business intelligence software, and so forth. Pay special attention to key data points. While data in general is a good thing, there are a number of items you particularly won't want to neglect. And finally, use the data you gather. Your APM system helps you gather and structure data in a way that can help you improve reliability and reduce costs in your facility. However, for it to actually accomplish that, you'll need to make use of it. In conclusion, an APM system is a software solution that provides valuable insight into your equipment. When used as part of an overall asset performance management strategy within your maintenance processes, it can help you maintain equipment on a level that isn't as easy to manage otherwise. So, consider integrating an APM system into your operations to maximize your productivity and efficiency. And that wraps up our video. Thank you for joining us today. We've covered what an APM system is, how it works, and how it can help your organization increase equipment availability and reduce risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about UpKeep and our CMMS solutions, visit upkeep.com. Remember, The right tools and resources can make your maintenance and reliability teams more successful. So explore what UpKeep can do for you.